Hi friends, easiest Rubik's Cube solution in 7 minutes in 7 easy steps. Let's have a look at the Rubik's Cube. It has 8 pieces with 2 stickers, corners with 3 stickers and a center piece on each face. As you can see, the center pieces never change when I am turning the faces. So the color of the center stickers will determine the color of each face when solved. The cube has 6 faces. And we are going to mark them with the initials of their names. Front, back, left, right, up and down. When I say R, it means the clockwise rotation on right face. Inverse rotations are marked with prime signs and double turns are marked with 2. We are ready to solve the cube. In the first step, we have to solve the white edges. They have to match the colors with the side centers. So the example on the right side is not a correct solution. Find a white edge on a bottom layer and bring it on the spot where it is supposed to be. The white stickers can be facing down or to the front. When it is facing down, simply make a double rotation. When it is facing front, do the following: front inverted, right inverted, down inverted, right, double front. When there is no edge in the bottom layer, we can bring it there. When the piece is in the middle layer, then hold the cube with the edge in the mark position and do right inverted, down inverted, right, double front. One is in the top layer, double rotate the face to send to the bottom layer. Go through each white edge and when they are all done, we can go to solve the white corners. We are going to use a trick to solve the corners. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. This algorithm swaps the two highlighted pieces, changing their orientation in each step. Now move the white corner below the spot where you want to set it and repeat right inverted, down inverted, right down until the white sticker is facing up in the top layer. Use the same moves to take a corner edge with an incorrect position. Align the cube and do the trick once. Now you can insert it easily from the bottom layer, repeating the algorithm. When the white face is completed, we can turn a cube upside down. We are going to use two algorithms to solve the second layer. One of them sends we have to bring the top layer to the left, the other one sends it to right. The left algorithm: up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. The right algorithm: up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front, up, front. Use the same algorithms when an edge is in the middle layer, that not where it is supposed to be. I am doing the right algorithm to take edge out and I can put it back from the top layer when all edges are solved in the middle layer. You should still have the full white face solved. Okay, now in the next step we make the yellow cross on the top of the cube. Check the L edges. It was seen either a dot or L shape or a line or a cross. We want to reach the cross and we have an algorithm to transform from one pattern to the next. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Make sure that the L shape is orientated correctly. When the yellow stickers on the top are pointing to the back on the left, you can do the sequence. The line shape is horizontal. We can go ahead one more time to reach the cross. Now we have to organize the yellow edges to match the side stickers. Turn the up face and try to find the matching colors. If there are two matching sides, then hold the cube with the wrong pieces on the front and turn left. Use this algorithm to swap the two highlighted edges. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, double up, right inverted, up. In this case, we have to use the same algorithm twice. Do the algorithm. Find two matching edges, align the cube. Do this sequence again. Only there are corners left to finish the Rubik's Cube. First we have to put them in the correct position and orient them in the next step. Rotate the puzzle and find the piece that where it is supposed to be. Hold the cube with this piece in front right up position and do these moves. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Repeat the same if the pieces don't come to the destinations. At first, when you can find the corners in the right position, just do these steps once and check the colors again. You must remember the right inverted, right down algorithm. Now use the same to orient the corners in this final step. Now listen carefully. Hold the cube with the wrong yellow corner on the front right up position. Repeat right inverted, right down until the yellow sticker is facing up. Rotate the top face to bring another missing yellow corner to the front right up position. And do the moves until the yellow sticker is facing up. Turn the up layer to finish the cube. Here is another example when all corners are wrong. Do the moves until the yellow sticker is facing up. Bring another piece. Do the moves until the yellow sticker is facing up. Bring another piece. Do the moves. Bring another piece and repeat the same. Turn the top layer to finish the cube.